Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I would just like to give a quick shout out to Amelia. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So we are doing a quick unboxing. I actually received this package from Pine Cosmetics. Whoa, not cosmetics, just Pine. So I want to tell them thank you so much for sending me over these products to review. So it came with a lamp. I'm not sure what wattage it is, but the lamp is pretty nice. And then it also came with this set of polishes. So included is a top coat, and let's just get into it, guys. The packaging, everything top, high quality. And this Polygel slip solution, it's in like a glass container. Like, this company's packaging is exquisite. They really it's top tier, guys. This is some really nice products. Like, they actually really care about presentation, and also I was highly impressed. I was not expecting that. So it also came with this booklet of decorations. It has some flames, it has some foils in silver and gold, some little tapes that are colorful. It comes with a whole bunch of them, which is awesome. It comes with some 3D butterflies, which are super adorable, and they come in several different colors. It comes with these chains, which is interesting because I've never tried that, so we'll give it a go. It also has some colorful rhinestones. And lastly, it has these geometric shape designs and these 3D holographic chunky charms. So adorable. Like, all the arts and the nail art that comes with this kit is like insane. It comes with, for the value of it, I believe I looked it up on Amazon. It was like $40, and I have a 50% off code for you guys. You get all of this for that. You can't beat that. You really can't. So it also comes with dual forms. It comes with nail forms, a buffer, a regular nail file, and I don't even know, a shine buffer. Like, and you get a polygel pen and tweezers and nail clippers. I forget they gave you all this stuff. I'm looking over this video again. And it comes with 3 polygel colors. Like, this kit is awesome for beginners. Literally awesome. So it comes with clear, white, and nude. You guys know what white and clear look like, so I'm just going to swatch the nude color for you guys. And here's what it looks like. Beautiful. I love the color, and I actually did use this color in the video today. But I'm super impressed with this. If you guys want to know the link, it will be down in the description, along with a 50% off code. I don't think I made commission off this code, but y'all, you should probably, if you're new to Polygel and you're looking for something, I would probably get that kit for 50% off. I think it's like 20 bucks. Shit, are you serious? You need to get it. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough, kind of like a step-by-step tutorial. So I use these Nail Couture full gel nail covers. So a lot of people always ask me, do you have to take the nail covers off? The answer is no, you do not. They're soft gel nail covers. They're not ABS plastic like dual forms. The difference is that soft gel meshes with polygel, unlike dual forms, which are plastic, and they pop right off. So I purchased these from Nail Couture, and the link to everything I use in this video will be in the description box below. But yeah, you don't have to take these off. You can leave them on, which is why I love doing this method, because it makes it super easy if you have troubles shaping and filing, because I definitely do. I'm not a shape queen. I'm not. So this makes the process 1,000 times easier and quicker for me. So I'm using that polygel, that nude pink polygel from this brand, and performance wise, guys, I really like this kit. I can't even lie. Like I said, I'm not making commission off of it. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. They just sent me these products over to review, and I'm thoroughly impressed. Like, the polygel and the slip solution go perfect together. You definitely want to use them hand in hand and not use like a regular alcohol solution, because it just works so nice. Like, the packaging, everything, I was just so impressed. Everything came nice and packaged. Nothing was broken, out of place. Like, they really did their thing with this, and I have a code for 50% off. Like, y'all, if that's not a steal, even if you have polygel already, and you don't have a lot of nail art supplies and stuff like that, I would just do it just to get a re-up on. You can't go wrong with clear white and this nude pink color. You really can't. So basically all I'm doing is taking the nail cover, I'm putting it on this little doohickey stand that I got off Amazon, link in the description below. Yeah, so I just put the polygel in it and then I just pat it all over. A lot of people ask me what amount I put in there. I kind of go by like halfway. So I'll fill up the nail forms like halfway and then that should be good. Sometimes it's a little bit too much, but always make sure you thin it out around the cuticle. You want the cuticle area to be thinner than the rest of your nail. You kind of want the bulk of it to be towards the middle. And then what you do is after you press it onto your nail, you flip your nail over and you kind of just pat it out to make sure it's not too bulky underneath there. And that's it. It's literally super easy. I love doing this method. It makes life so much easier and I'll never go back. So yeah, if there's air bubbles, just make sure you're getting those out before you fully cure. And how you can check is just flipping your nail cover over to the front, making sure it looks good, making sure there's no air bubbles, and then all you do is cure. Wrap around the cuticles to get excess polygel before curing as well. So I'm going in with their nail file. Honestly, their nail file is very thin, but the fact that it comes with a nail buffer, a nail file, and a shine buffer, no complaints. Like the manicure tools, like this is the only set that you need. I literally use all products besides that nail stand, and I got this whole set with just that one kit. Like you can't beat that. You cannot. I think the UV lamp is probably going to be sold separate. I doubt it will come with the kit, but if it does, that's even better. The UV light alone would be worth the $20. But I just took a alcohol wipe in these lint-free pads and I'm wiping my nails down because polygel can leave a little bit of a sticky residue. I was going to use those geometric shapes, but I opted to use those stripe, I don't know what to call them, that nail art design where it's like they're like lines. I don't even know what to call it. Tape, that's what it's called. I use that gold tape. But I'm going to paint my nails first with top coat and then cure that. So I use the color gold. This is super easy to work with. All you need to do is grab some tweezers, measure it out, and you will also need those nippers. I use little nail nippers to cut them to size, and I also use a cuticle pusher thing to push it down, but I'll show you in a second. So yeah, all I'm doing is using my cuticle nippers and making sure that it's on straight and even, measuring it out and cutting off the excess. Then after that, I'm going in with that cuticle pusher that I was just talking about, and I'm just pressing it down to really make sure that it's stuck on there. And that's all. Super duper easy to work with these things. And you don't have to just use them for nail art designs. You can also use them if you want to do, like, let's say you wanted to paint half of your nail one color and the other half another color. You can use it as like a tracer. So these are super duper handy. So I'm just going to do the same thing with a different way. I'm going to do this way horizontally. And I'll let you guys watch me work. So I'm going to be going in with some cuticle oil now after I finish curing the top coat on those nails. And cuticle oil is very important, ladies. Please make sure you are using cuticle oil consistently on an everyday basis with your nails. But here's the final results. So simple, so cute. I love it. I absolutely love this Polygel kit. Like I said, the link to everything in this video will be in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you wanted another story time, please don't forget that if you have any story times you would like me to tell, in my description box, and send me an email, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll be happy to tell your story. But yeah, so today is Monday, so that means that I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.